Most suspects give up when the sirens start. Christopher Boone isn't most suspects. After hitting triple digits through Flagler County traffic, Boone's run didn't end with a surrender. It ended in a cloud of smoke and a shattered light pole.
Passing BJ's.
Have you tried to find it up yet?
We have lights on, but he's pretty far ahead of us.
County Sheriff's Office, anyone inside, make yourself known. County Sheriff's Office, anyone inside, make yourself known.
Up 226, Flagler, copy tag. India Juliet 77 Delta uniform, IJ 77DU, it's on a black Kia. He ran off somewhere, and I don't know who that is.
Hey.
Hi.
Are you guys all right?
Yeah, just a little shocked.
Okay, so you guys are just pulling aside.
Yeah, we're just pulling aside, yeah.
All right. Is your child okay?
Yeah.
Were you guys involved at all? Did you guys get hit or anything like that?
We turned, it just flew right by us. Yeah, sorry. We're just...
The suspect's mom and owner of the car arrived, nervous at the scene, wondering where her son is and if he's okay.
Male bailed out of the car. FHD just went up.
Where?
He ran right by me.
That was dumb.
Oh, shnikes, bad.
All the way from Benell, huh? That wasn't smart.
Yeah, I got one secure. I think he was running from Benell.
Running from
He was running from me.
Alright, how's the 112 here? Stand up.
secure.
That wasn't smart.
Stand up, bud.
Can
You grab my phone?
Nope. Got anything on your person? No.
Why'd you run?
Because you knew I was coming after you. Anything on you? Any weapons, narcotics? Needles, knives, anything like that?
Alright, he's still 15, bro. Definitely. Cancel 1033 radio.
You're about to throw up? Why?
Yes, sir.
Nah, Jimmy.
Is your adrenaline? There was only one, right?
Yeah, that's all I'm saying.
There's only one.
Oh, get your phone, man. Like right there?
Yeah. Please, let me breathe. Y'all can't let me breathe? You need medical attention?
He's got rescue.
I got a driver's license?
Huh?
Did you run because you didn't
Man, you see all that. Y'all know.
You have something else?
Like,
It's just no driver's license.
you walked in Circle K, you saw me, and you dipped.
I ain't even really dip.
What do you mean you didn't dip?
I waited. He seen me. He knew I waited, but I was like, what I'm going to wait for? He's still there. There ain't no point of waiting.
So you drive 100 miles an hour? Like, oh, habitual traffic offender.
After the dust settled, he was treated at a local hospital before taking a trip to Flagler County Jail. The traffic offender was hit with multiple charges, including DUI, reckless driving, leaving the scene of a crash, and driving with a suspended license. But despite the 100-mile-per-hour chaos, Boone walked out just hours later after posting a $15,500 bond.